Hello everyone, great to have your company here on Kalkine TV. I'm Rachel and you're watching the Buzzing Trends. Now the Australian market started the week on a mildly positive note with the benchmark ASX 200 index delivering a 0.1% gain to close at 7,485.2 yesterday. However, for the month the index is down 1% so far today. The ASX 200 index is trading at 7,441.8. That's down 0.58% so far. Let's take a close look at three blue chip ASX 200 companies. First up, the Bhp Group. Now, this is the largest Australian miner on the ASX with a market cap of $262.9 billion. The company has a diversified portfolio of mineral-rich products, including iron ore, coal, copper projects and more. The company clocked a high revenue of $56.92 billion in financial year 2021 compared to $42.93 billion a year ago, also leading to a higher net profit of $11.3 billion over $7.96 billion in financial year 2020. The Bhp Group share price closed yesterday's session 0.5% down at $51.68, while the stock's year-to-date return stands at a decent 21.94%. Today, the stock is currently down by 0.39%, trading at $51.48 so far today. In April, the stock was trading flat with a minor loss of 0.14%. The stock is also trading at a healthy dividend yield of 9.23%. Moving on now, let's take a look at CSL, a healthcare company that develops, manufactures and sells pharmaceutical and diagnostic products, cell culture media and human plasma fractions. The company has a market capitalization of $127.9 billion. The company has been boosting its revenue growth for the last few years. A reported revenue of $8.54 billion in 2019, $9.15 billion in 2020 and $10.31 billion last year. Now last month the company declared a dividend of $1.42, which was paid on the 6th of April, giving a dividend yield of 1.13% to CSL shares. The stock closed 0.09% lower at $265.47 yesterday and is 10.31% down for the year so far. Today, the stock was trading lower at $263.41, down by 0.78% so far today. Now this month, CSL stock has delivered a small loss of 1% to investors. Moving on, and the Fortescue Metals Group is the last stock on our list today. It's one of the largest Australian miners with a market cap of $67.21 billion. The company recorded a massive profit of $22.28 billion in 2021 compared to $12.82 billion in 2020. Fortescue Metals shares are trading at a dividend yield of over 13.6%, one of the highest among the ASX 200 stocks, making it a lucrative bet for dividend lovers. The Fortescue Metals share price rallied 6.75% this year to the last closing price of $21.19. That was yesterday. Today it stands at $21.33, up by 0.66%. The return for the month of April stands at 2.57%. Now, investing in blue chip ASX 200 shares is relatively less risky than investing in other smaller shares. However, risk cannot be eliminated completely. Therefore, before investing in even seemingly safe stocks, investors must do proper due diligence. Now, we'll be back with our Buzzing Trend show tomorrow to share with you the latest market insights. Till then, stay tuned with Kalkine TV for more stock, business and economy related hot trends. I'm Rachel, signing off for Kalkine.